or treat.
Good job, Jimmy. Yay!
Trick or treat. Say trick or treat. What do you say? Hey!
Now, Jimmy, when someone gives you candy, you have to say thank you. What do you think of the pumpkins? What do you say? When you want candy, what do you say? Trick or treat. Hey, can you smile?
Can you smile, Jim? Don't. You're not gonna eat it now, are you? Yeah. He wants to. Wanna go get more? Get some more candy, Mas? Mas, you ready? Okay. Move the truck. You got it? Ooh, thank you. Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Trick or treat after the fact.
Put it in your bucket there.
Oh, what do you say, Jimmy?
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Welcome.
What do you say?
That's a strange guy. That's what he said.
He's signing things. Jimmy, that's Rapu.
Jimmy, do you know who I am?
You've got candy. Now you know who I am.
Oh, Jimmy, I like your outfit. Hi. Are you going trick-or-treating? Do you know who I am?
Happy.
Do you know who I am?
Good.
Poppy?